common ostrich, Struthio camelus. The common ostrich is not only the largest bird, but also the fastest running bird on Earth. With powerful legs and long strides, it can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 3 mph. Their wings, although not suitable for flight, serve as excellent stabilizers during high-speed running. Southern Cassowary, Cassowarius casuarius. The Southern Cassowary, native to Australia and New Guinea, is known for its striking appearance and unique casque, a bony crest atop its head. This casque acts as a resonating chamber, enhancing its vocalizations and allowing for effective communication within dense rainforests. Dromaeus novia hollandii. Emus, native to Australia, possess strong leg muscles that enable them to cover large distances on foot. Their adaptations include specialized thigh muscles and long tendons that store and release elastic energy, allowing them to sprint and jump with agility. Emperor penguin, Aptenidites forsteri. Emperor penguins have adapted to survive in the harsh Antarctic environment. They possess a thick layer of insulating blubber, dense feathers, and a unique huddling behavior where they tightly pack together to conserve heat during extreme cold. Males also incubate the eggs, balancing them on their feet and covering them with a warm brood pouch. Greater Rhea, Rhea americana. The Greater Rhea, native to South America, has developed a keen sense of hearing and sight to detect potential predators. Their large eyes and excellent peripheral vision help them detect threats from all directions, while their strong legs allow for swift running to escape danger. Kori Bustard, Ardiotis kori. The Kori Bustard, found in Africa, is renowned for its elaborate courtship displays. Males inflate their necks, raise their wings, and produce a deep, booming call to attract females. Their wingspan, one of the largest among flying birds, helps them during short-distance flights and impressive leaps during displays. Andean Condor, Vultur gryphus. The Andean Condor is the largest flying bird in the world. These majestic birds possess a massive wingspan that can exceed 3 meters, 9.8 feet. Their ability to soar for hours without flapping their wings extensively is due to their exceptional mastery of utilizing thermal updrafts in mountainous regions. Dalmatian Pelican, Pelicanus crispus. Dalmatian pelicans have a unique and elongated bill with a pouch that can hold around 11 liters, 2.9 gallons, of water. This adaptation allows them to catch large fish and store them for later consumption. They are also known for their striking appearance, characterized by a vivid yellow-orange throat pouch during the breeding season. California Condor, Gymnogyps californianus. The California condor is an endangered species that has made a remarkable recovery through conservation efforts. These birds possess exceptional eyesight, enabling them to spot carcasses from great distances. They have also been equipped with transmitters to track their movements and aid in their conservation. Trumpeter swan, Cygnus buccinator. The trumpeter swan, native to North America, is the largest species of swan. They have a distinctive trumpet-like call that can be heard over long distances. These birds have a powerful wingspan and webbed feet that assist in efficient swimming and navigation across various aquatic habitats.